Снег ночью и днем, и меня тишину сводит с ума. Да, но не со мной.
Ooh, hold that note there. That was really, really cool.
Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. За окном ходит зима, сеет снег, белый снег, в доме пустой. Где-то, но не со мной.
Ooh, hold that note there. That was really, really cool. This song seems very, very powerful, very dramatic. Obviously, I don't understand the language, so I can't really put any expression on the lyrics. But she's singing it with a lot of feeling, and I believe everything that she's portraying in her performance, even though I can't understand what she's singing about. Ooh, I do like that bit. I take it the blonde-haired judge wasn't that much of a fan of the lower stuff, and then when she's gone higher, then she's gone, oh, I'll press the button now. Well, you should take her for what she is, and because the vocal range in this performance, from the low part all the way up to the high part, is absolutely phenomenal, and it's flawless. Even with accents in her voice, like coming out before that, it just sounded cool. Wow. I believe the performance was flawless of that song, and that's one of her original songs, and it sounds, like I say, it sounds really, really dramatic. Going back to her voice is absolutely incredible. In fact, it's one of the better voices I've heard since started doing reactions.
Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем, и меня тишину сводит с ума. Саваном белым вьюга, но не со мной.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Yeah, unbelievable, guys. She's amazing. You see what I mean? When you feel that, especially if you listen to it with headphones. Man, she and Dimas should be married. Could you imagine? There would be... that's probably illegal, actually, because it would be too much power.
Но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо. За окном ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, в доме пустой.
That start. This song is so emotional. I can feel her emotion. She's contagious. Just a moment, guys. So please, I kindly beg you, if anyone understands the words she's singing. This girl is an epitome of talent. Her looks only draw you into understanding the emotions behind the song. Like, you can see her emotions just through her face and everything.
Well, that definitely looks like a blizzard right there.
Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем, и меня тишину сводит с ума.
I'm not kidding. First of all, this guy looks like Steven Spielberg. But the guy before, he knew exactly, alright, she's gonna win. Because that way, again, she just concentrated on that vowel, man. That's just Diana ANKUDINOVA, you know. That's definitely something that is so unique that if you hear it, you know, alright, no matter what happens, this is definitely a very good selling point. So. Alright guys, from which year is that? Because it just looks like she reached another level. That's probably the best performance so far when it comes to her technique. That's completely out of this world. You can tell now that she has been practicing that technique and she knows exactly how to use it now. Did you guys see the faces of the jury? The one girl was just like, and the other person... I got a quick question, by the way. Did the jury see her before that performance? Because somehow it just looks like this is the first time they see Diana ANKUDINOVA. And by the way, look at her face. It looks like she really has tears. Again, an amazing performance already. Oh, she does. Yes, I'm having goosebumps. That was Diana ANKUDINOVA with Blizzard, and I'm having goosebumps right now when it comes to the technique. The best performance I've seen so far by Diana. I've never heard anything like this. The way they reacted, the jury, was the best, because again, they weren't just, alright, this is amazing. They were leaning forward like, is this real? What is this? And that's, I think, the best compliment.
Wow. That's an epic entrance. That's beautiful.
Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем тишиной.
Hit the button. That's got to be the best feelings when you go on shows like this where they like got to hit a button or something to put you through to the next round, and you're barely even a sentence into the song and they're already like, boom. Her voice, I don't think I've ever heard anything like her voice, man. It's unbelievable. Let's keep going. Incredible. There's so much emotion in her voice. There's so much emotion. It's so powerful. I mean, it just grabs you when she starts singing. It feels like somebody's like grabbed you by the shirt and they're like pulling you in. You can't help but just be intrigued by every word. There's only like 20 seconds left, but the view around her is tremendous. The graphics they've got is just, it's so like hauntingly beautiful. Everything. Wow. Goodness gracious. I mean, it just like, that was only like 2.5 minutes of singing, and I felt like I just heard an entire story. I mean, I felt like I was just taking on a big journey in 2.5 minutes. I mean, absolutely incredible what she's able to do with her voice. The tone of her voice is just unlike anything I've ever heard in my life.